Once known for rice fields and artisan villages, Kandal has transformed. Over the last 5 years under CPP leadership, it's become Cambodia's fastest growing economic frontier. In just 2024, $1.3 billion was poured into Teko International Airport, now 90% complete, spanning 2,600 hectares and creating over 15,000 jobs. Nearby, Royal Group's 120-hectare SEDS promises another 20,000 jobs, turning rural land into industrial opportunity. Kandal is a magnet for investors. In early 2025, it drew 11 major FIDI projects among Cambodia's top performers. The flagship, a $300 million Cambodia-Malaysia-China high-tech park, pushing the province into electronics and smart manufacturing. Over 500,000 workers now power its garment factories. But Kandal isn't stopping there. It's expanding into logistics, construction, and agriculture tech. Tied to Phnom Penh by highways, rivers, and bridges, Kandal is no longer a suburb, it's a central force. A logistics park, twin overpasses, and new dry port are building an unbreakable trade corridor. As Cambodia's economy rebounds to 5.4% growth, Kandal leads the charge, blending tradition with transformation. This is more than development. It's renewal. It's resilience. It's Kandal where Cambodia's future flows.